You are driving down the road, glancing at your dashboard to see how much gas you have left, but the needle is sitting dead on empty even though you just filled the tank, or maybe that low fuel light is staring you in the face for no reason at all. If you plug in your diagnostic tool and see a code P0656, your powertrain control module is telling you there is a major discrepancy in the fuel level output circuit. Here on Mon Total, we deal with these electrical headaches all the time, and while it might not stop your car from running right this second, it is a massive gamble because you are essentially flying blind without knowing when you will run out of gas. Think of your fuel system like a conversation between two people. The fuel level sensor inside your tank is the one speaking, sending a signal to the engine computer about how much liquid is left. The engine computer then acts as a translator, taking that data to calculate your fuel mileage and tank pressure before sending an output signal to the fuel gauge on your instrument panel. When that output signal path gets interrupted or sends a nonsensical reading, the computer throws this code. Most of the time, the problem is not actually in the tank, but in the wiring or the communication between the computer and the dash. You could be looking at a simple open or shorted circuit caused by a rodent chewing through a harness, or even a software glitch in the powertrain control module programming. To track this down, you need a digital volt-ohm meter and a good scanner. Your first step should always be checking for technical service bulletins because manufacturers sometimes release software updates to fix buggy fuel gauge logic. If the software is fine, you have to get your hands dirty with the wiring. You will want to test the fuel level output circuit directly at the engine computer connector. If the computer is outputting the correct signal but the gauge is still dead, the brake is hidden somewhere in the dashboard harness. However, if the computer is silent, you might be looking at a faulty module. It is a tedious process of tracing wires and checking pins, but finding a loose ground strap or a corroded connector can save you from the nightmare of being stranded on the shoulder of a dark highway with a bone-dry tank.